Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel here at J Shy Beauty. If you're new, welcome. If you've been here before, what's up? So let's just jump right into it. I am mixing the cream developer with the bleaching powder. You want to mix it until you get a creamy substance.
Perfect.
And once you have that creamy substance, just start distributing the mixture onto the hair. I really didn't feel like taking a comb and parting it and putting it on there and taking a comb and parting it. So I'm just putting it all over the hair, trying to get it on there as evenly as possible. Now I'm gonna flip the hair over and do the same thing on the other side. So now I'm mixing the other pack of bleaching powder with the 40 cream developer. Again, you just want to mix that up until you get a creamy substance. And I'm just going to distribute that all over the hair. Pick up the spots that I missed.
Perfect.
Okay, once that is all evenly distributed, I'm just taking some foil and wrapping it up in foil. This is what happens when you don't use gloves. What you doing? What you doing, big boy? Now it's time to rinse the hair. I'm just gonna set some water in the sink and rinse it with some lukewarm water.
Perfect. Perfect.
Now we're just gonna rinse it all out until there's no more bleach cream in there.
Perfect.
Now I'm shampooing it to get all the toxins out and get the brassy look out.
Perfect.
Now what you want to do with this part here is let it sit in that shampoo for just a little bit. Make sure it's all evenly distributed.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Now we're just gonna rinse that out in conditioner like you would condition your hair.
Perfect.
This is how it looks blow dried. And you want to make sure you blow dry it before you do the next step. This part here was kind of fun. I'm using the Kiss Color Express. This is the semi-permanent hair color. I got it in the color K40 Truly Red. I'm just mixing that in the water. You want to make sure it's really mixed up before you continue on to the next step. Once that's all mixed up, I'm going to take the hair and dip it in there. Oh, by the way, guys, my water is boiling hot. I just boiled some water on the stove and then mixed the hair color in there. Now I'm just making sure it's getting all in there. After your timer has gone off, just go ahead and rinse out the hair. I'm using lukewarm water again to rinse it. Once it's all rinsed out, I'm taking some of my argan oil conditioner and just brushing through. Now you will see it does have a bunch of tangles as I'm brushing through with the argan oil. They will come out. You just got to get those tangles out. It's a little bit of a process, but you want to make sure that you brush it out. Now go ahead and rinse out the hair until the water bleeds clear, no more red.
Perfect.
This is how the hair looks wet. You really can't see much color right now.
Perfect.
Oh, and you can see that the color is on the lace. Don't freak out. Okay guys, this is how it turned out. I'm very pleased with it. I just want to give you guys a quick little tutorial of how I do the watercolor method. And thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
Bitch.